In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Walmart affiliate program. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all these steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so signing up for the Walmart affiliate program can offer several advantages, especially if you have like a website, blog, or social media presence and you're interested in promoting Walmart's products, because as an affiliate you can earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. You will receive a percentage of the sales price when someone make a purchase after clicking your affiliate link. Of course, as we all know, Walmart is a well-known and trusted retail brand, making it easier to promote their products to your audience. Walmart often has high conversion rates due to its competitive prices, extensive product inventory, and the convenience of online shopping. Many affiliate programs, including Walmart's, provide affiliates with marketing materials like banners, text links, and product feeds to help you effectively promote your products. And as we all know, your earnings as an affiliate depend on your promotional efforts and the quality of your content. If you can effectively drive traffic and conversions, you have the potential to earn more. And also, do not forget that as an affiliate, you don't need to handle product inventory, process orders, or provide customer support because Walmart takes care of these aspects. So, how to become an affiliate of Walmart? So what we're going to do is go here in walmart.com and affiliates right here. So we go to the welcome to the Walmart affiliate program. So what's included in the affiliate membership? You'll receive a weekly newsletter with banners, links, and information about great products to feature on your site. Okay, that's one. And number two, you'll also have the support of the Walmart.com affiliate account team members and all the great tools on Impact Radius platform. And they make it as easy as possible for you to get the most out of the program. You'll also receive access to the Affiliate Member Center, where you can get more banners, generate links, and get data feeds to further customize your Walmart.com referrals to your visitors. And now, if you sign up and start earning commissions by leveraging your social networks today. So if you decided to become an affiliate of Walmart, you go and sign up here. Okay. It'll take some time. All right. So we will be asked to give your first and last name, your email, your username, and a strong password. And once you've done that, you will receive a confirmation from Walmart that they included you on their affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.